Jai Hind दोस्तों, in this video I will be describing you about my review for the SSC course on Study IQ. So mostly when I was interested to take the subscription plan for any of a study platform, I started searching which platform is the best. Then on YouTube also I started searching, but I didn't get any reviews for the SSC course generally. So basically many reviews for the UPSC course were there, but no one has reviewed on SSC course. So that's why I decided to go on a review. So I sent them a okay before taking up this subscription. I messaged them by the WhatsApp. Here you can see the WhatsApp logo is here. So just send them hi message on WhatsApp, and you will get the reply from them, and ask them to call you back so that you can ask him for the 20% 20% off offer. So because it was 5,000, it is right now it is showing 4,800, but if you'll go for the 12-month course, so it's gonna show you 5,000 rupees. So from 5,000 rupees they're gonna give you a code which can valid for 15 minutes only, and it can give you 20% discount. So I just applied this course, and finally I got it is it's only about 4,000 rupees in cost. So let me show you the course. So you can see the SSC exam. So paid course is there. Wait, my net is not on. Okay, so you can see here the total course is like GS by Bipin Goyal sir, then math by Rahul, then again math by Abhishek. Matlab some portion of math has completed by Rahul, some portion have completed by Abhishek, then advanced maths are also covered by both, then data interpretation, then logical reasoning, then Tarun sir has completed the reasoning, and English by Gaurav Garg sir. Let me tell you, here English is mentioned that it is completed by Dr. Gaurav Garg, but it is not right, because Gaurav Garg has not completed this English. It is completed by some ma'am, I forgot the name, which is not good. I was not satisfied when I have completed my English course. I was not satisfied. But Suman ma'am is okay. Matlab you will not get disappointed by her class. So it's okay. So right now let me show you the Bipin Goyal sir's class. Look at this. Introduction is not needed. Ancient history. So for history I will be telling you. Listen, here you can see Mahipal Singh Rathore. So if you heard about Mahipal Singh Rathore, he is a very good history teacher. So he has completed the whole history with a very short manner. So any of the student who don't interested to study history, basically like me, they can start from Mahipal Rathore's history. So Mahipal Rathore history is good. That means to generate your interest for the history, it is very good. So after completion of this history course by Mahipal Singh Rathore, you can come to Bipin Goyal's history. You can see Bipin Goyal has completed like ancient history, then medieval and modern with a very brief manner. That means described a lot, and everything he has completed in a very good manner. And let me tell you, it is like physical classes. Like I can show you in Mahipal Singh Rathore's class. You can see it is just a you know it is just a, इनकी कोई भी बात so it is just a PPT learning, but in Bipin Goyal sir's class, it is completely physical classes. It is like a physical domestication classes, and sir was teaching by the whiteboard. So with a very brief manner, sir has described everything. I really liked it and enjoyed too. And geography is also, that means you gonna love the geography, I'm telling you. I don't know which another platforms you people are preparing to go for, but for Study IQ and with the value of 4,000 rupees, you're gonna love it, I'm telling you. You might get some, some people say ki go with study sorry, what is that called, On Academy. I'm telling you, On Academy is a very there are lots of teachers are present there. So you will get confused ki which teacher to be followed or not. Some teachers might be for good for another students, not for you, and that's why you will be getting some confusion to which teacher to be followed or not. So here in Study IQ, the limited teachers are there, and the best teachers are there. You don't need to go for the problematic situation and go for the confusing situation. So just open and start learning anything from the Study IQ. So for my review from Study IQ, my that means I really enjoyed a lot by all the teachers, and definitely the teaching was too good by any of the teacher. I really got very much benefit from this application. If you are searching for which application and which paid course you want to purchase, then definitely go with Study IQ, or else if you are interested for the Unacademy, any of a teacher you have decided ki that teacher is good for you, then take Unacademy course. Don't get confused, and don't just think about ki there are lots of teachers are present in Unacademy, so I should go with Unacademy. Don't need to go with that. I'm telling you, Study IQ is one of the best platform, even the Unacademy also. But in Study IQ, you can cover all the topics. You don't need to worry about any topic. But yes, as far as the English is concerned, I will be suggesting, somehow I am disappointed because I was expecting a lot. मेरा इंग्लिश थोड़ा बहुत ख़राब है. I was really expecting my that means English course to be in a very good manner, but it was not there. So that's why this video I am making. So rest matlab other than English, you will enjoy in all topics. If you have any doubt, any suggestion, just let me know on my comment box. So mostly the students think all the courses that has given here you will find in YouTube. But let me tell you, I have searched a lot in YouTube, but this type of videos, all those videos uploaded to these applications were not available in YouTube. Basically Unacademy का जितने भी videos हैं about Mrunal sir and another teachers, that can be available in YouTube, but not all the Study IQ's videos are very confidential. Not confidential, it has not been produced in any applications. Maybe UPSC course has given, that means UPSC videos are maybe uploaded in YouTube, but SSC course is completely different, and very within just very short span of time you can cover all the topic from Study IQ. So just go for it. I'm telling you, you will be benefited. Thank you all of you guys. Bye bye.